All right, welcome back. Fiesta Plaza, we are here and getting ready to cook up with Grace. We've been doing some fantastic recipes using Grace products. And boy, oh boy, I'm joined by another chef. Two of my celebrity chefs on set with me, Charlene Prokop Delph. Joining her is Chef Cheryl and Short Charles. Ladies.
Hi. So I remember what I do last week.
What you did?
The jerk chicken wrap, which
remember.
was best.
I brought this for you.
Thank you.
I brought this
so
for
I'm
you.
hoping what you're doing tonight, could you know?
So I'm using Grace line of corned beef.
Okay.
Okay.
So corned beef usually, corned beef and
Cabbage,
corned beef and
rice,
rice.
mix up in
and
macaroni.
veggies.
I love corned beef and rice. It's a simple meal, but I love corned beef and rice.
Okay.
But I just said, okay, so what do I do with this corned beef other than just corned beef and rice?
Yeah.
We'll see it. I have two chefs that I have to make a dish for.
Who you have never cooked
For
for?
real, you know, and he never cooked for us.
I came up with the concept of doing corned beef balls.
Okay. Meatballs.
So it's like meatballs,
Yeah.
But with corned beef.
but using corned beef.
Okay.
So no minced meat. I am using corned beef by Grace and making it into a nice meatball.
And you can use the corned beef balls with spaghetti.
You can,
Yeah.
but I'm not doing carbs fitness chef.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not doing carbs fitness
Carnival,
chef.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. So I'm serving it with a little nice dip. So it's a little appetizer. I'm doing like small balls.
Okay.
Right. And just because of Charlene, Charlene loves Grace jerk.
Jerk seasoning.
So
Which one I like, Joel? You remember the spicy?
This one is spicy. This one is
Nice.
spicy. So I'm actually doing jerk corned beef balls.
Okay.
So the good thing about it, guys, is that there's an array of the corned beef by Grace. There's a reduced salt, there's
Okay.
actually halal, and there's just the normal corned beef. I'm
Nice.
using the reduced salt.
I didn't know.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually look for it on the shelves. Three ranges: reduced salt, halal, as
Corned
well
beef.
as just the ordinary corned beef.
Right.
So I have the reduced salt here, and it's just one.
So you
can.
don't need to put salt in this,
I
right?
am not putting salt.
Okay,
You'll
good.
be very happy,
I was
Charlene.
wondering.
I am not putting
I was
salt in this recipe.
wondering.
And then corned beef is very easy to work with.
It's very easy and simple to work with. So this is a very simple recipe. You can try this one at home. I am adding just about a half cup of onions, nicely, finely diced. This is as finely diced as I could have gotten it.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't have a chef doing my knife work for me, so I had to cut it up myself. So finely diced onions, get it all mixed in there. I have a garlic. So Shani, let me get a quick joke, right?
Yeah.
I'm preparing this recipe in studio before we came tonight.
Uh-huh.
I asked Chef, I said, Chef, do you have garlic? Chef Cheryl, I'm sure Charles, after
Yes.
Yeah.
Chef, bring a whole big head of garlic for me. I said, Chef, I go peel garlic, girl.
He
Is
has
that garlic in the
Joel
grocery?
like lazy man garlic, as I call it. You go to the shelves and you pick up this garlic that's already peeled and in a
Yeah.
packet. So he was like a duck out of water,
I said, Chef, how to
knowing
peel
how
this?
to peel the garlic and chop it up.
You know an easy way to peel garlic? You cut the top off, you put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes, not
Right.
even so long, and just squeeze it out, and
But you
literally all the garlic just fall out of the
Fall
skin.
out.
You know what they sell it in the supermarket now, right?
Yeah,
we
but
in
Joel, it's
2020,
been more
you know.
expensive.
We in 2020, you know, we're peeling garlic again, you know, guys. Trini green seasoning.
Okay.
Nice.
Trini green seasoning. I just want about a teaspoon of Trini green seasoning that I'm going to add in there. To that, about a third cup of breadcrumbs.
All right.
Right? This is for it to
To
bind
hold to
together.
bind it
To bind together. You see, when they're talking to chefs, they understand the
You
language
use whole
very
wheat
easily.
bread to make that?
Whole wheat what?
Bread.
No. No, Charlene.
Why are you asking him if he made it?
Yeah, he should.
He just told you he buy garlic
Okay,
already
yes.
peeled in
All
the
right,
grocery.
Make
You know you
this
could use
la-
oatmeal to bind
Instead of
stuff
the
as well.
breadcrumbs.
All right, so
And
make
you know you
this.
can use flaxseed as well. I'm just saying that you don't have to use the bread. But you know, just continue. I'm sorry, continue.
So let's make this the last time.
Just continue.
I have my chefs on
right.
and I'm cooking for them, please. This is the last time.
I
But they enjoy these corned beef balls. I don't know what next year. One egg, guys.
Okay.
One egg, right? So it's all the ingredients that you would normally put in meatballs.
Yeah.
Right.
It's just the base is corned beef. And You don't want to mix. I don't want to over mix. I think over mixing causes what, chef? It gets it a little tough or something like that.
Not with
Yes.
corn.
Not with corn beef.
Not with corn beef?
With
No.
mincemeat, you know?
With mincemeat probably.
Yeah, not with corn.
Ground chicken.
Yeah. So all you really want to do is get ingredients all combined.
Right. And when
And-
you put it in the jerk seasoning, you put it
And
in
I'm
already?
putting in the jerk seasoning now.
Okay.
I almost forgot the
No, we
jerk
try
seasoning.
not to let you forget it.
Yeah. So this really and the thing about it, this has some salt content in it as well.
Yes,
Yes, it
So
does.
I added when I tested the recipe, no
Yeah.
salt, no black pepper required. This gives it a nice little spicy
See,
kick.
yeah.
And it's fantastic. I really just want to add some fresh greens. I have some.
You
some-
cut that nice though.
I cut this nicer.
Yeah.
I take my time.
You
love,
cut it?
Love.
You cut it?
I cut it. Love.
You sure?
What you love, I cut it.
Let me see.
Nice.
Yeah. You missed
cut
some.
it?
Yeah.
Some skin on it, but it's
Yeah,
okay.
It's
we
all right.
are
It's all right.
allowed.
It's okay. You
A
can use
parsley?
it. No,
Ah.
but you can use it.
Thyme, parsley,
Uh-huh.
and some shadow benny.
Okay.
Right? Nice mix. Fresh herbs in there, and mix that in. So just for you guys, because I love you all so much, I'm going to get my hands dirty. I am going to roll these balls. Because it comes together almost just
Yeah.
seamlessly.
So it's bacon.
Sorry?
Yes, it's
bacon?
bacon,
I-
of
I'm-
course. I don't
much
want to
you
fry
bacon
the
it
corn
at?
beef
If
balls.
Call Charlene.
If
I don't
Charlene
wanna
wasn't here,
fry
I might
corn
have
beef
fried
balls.
it. But once Charlene is on set, I'm baking.
You're baking.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm baking.
How much you baking it at?
I'm baking it at 350 degrees.
Okay.
And it's really about 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
I think the corned beef takes a little
Longer.
longer. It's a little fattier, so allow it the time to cook. So really, and it's you want medium size little balls. You want
Right.
I want it to be like
Bite
little
size?
appetizer,
So,
bite
right.
size kind of
So you
thing.
can sit down. So if you're watching Panorama Home
Right.
and you have a tin of Grace corned beef in
well,
your cupboard,
And you don't only
can
have
mix
to do
up.
corned beef
But
and
Joel,
rice.
how much
Right.
tin of corn beef you add?
This is one tin.
okay,
That's
that's
This
a lot.
is plenty,
though.
and this is
That's
one
plenty.
tin of corned beef.
And then
Serious. I was
everything
surprised
else
as
you
well.
add to it
Yeah.
gives it bulk.
I was very
Okay.
much surprised.
All
So
right.
you roll and roll and roll.
And you can make it as big as you want.
You can make it as big as you want, but I
Okay.
said bite
Make
size
it
is what I
bite-sized.
went for,
Okay.
because I wanted to serve with as an appetizer type dip. So that's
Okay.
it. I can continue rolling, but you bake it in the oven, and thankfully, I have a Morella.
Right. Yes.
I need a morella.
I have a Morella, and because I have a
I
Morella,
think all of us need a barrella.
you just serve that up there nicely. It's
Okay.
very hot, just out of the oven. You have some toothpicks at the side.
Nice.
And this,
What
this,
kind
this is
of
a
dip
nice,
is this?
This is
Let
a
me taste
jerk,
the dip.
a jerk dip as well, I think.
Cheryl,
Yeah,
you want
so-
me to feed you?
No, it's okay. You go. Okay.
Guys, consider folks at Grace Products, another Grace product. We use 2-in-1 actually. The corned beef, an entire array, as well as the jerk seasoning. We love Grace jerk seasoning on this show.
Yes, we do.
But you can use the entire range of Grace corned
Cheryl,
beef.
how it tasting? Tell me.
You salt, tell me.
Tasting good.
It isn't good?
It
Isn't
is,
good?
honestly, it is tasting good.
Chefs, thank you very, very much. Chef Sharon
You're
and Sean
welcome.
Charles and Chef Charlene Prokop Delp. We're coming right back. It's time for a clean up break here on A Cup of Joe, courtesy the folks at Soft Weave. Come on back.